well, because when she wasn't really in her career, she was a Wimbledon player. She was the first ever Pakistani to go into US Open and compete for Pakistan. She was the junior champion over here as well. Then she was the champion as well. So she has got a soft image, and then she's got a very thriller image as well. On my right hand side, I've got the Director General NAB, Ma'am Alia Rashid. Hello, ma'am. How are you? Assalamu alaikum. Thank you very much for coming over, and thank you very much for this amazing campaign which you have initiated. I would love to know about it, but before that, we have got somebody else who's known as Mr. Rai Azhar Hussain, and Rai Azhar Hussain is actually the survivor of 3rd March 2014's bomb blast which took place in Islamabad. He does not have a lung. He had to go through 7 bullets, and then the treatment went on, but he survived, and he's even being awarded with the highest civil award, which is Tamga Shujaat as well, and even ma'am has been awarded with Pride of Performance. Thank you very much, guys.
Thank you.
Lovely to have you. First of all, you guys are the brave Pakistanis we talk about. You guys are those people who we get inspired by. But ma'am, coming to you, well, how was it when you used to play Wimbledon? Let's start from there. Let's start from your soft image. Because you were the first ever Pakistani lady to go and compete in the US Open as well.
Thank you so much for
No
inviting me. It's the honor is all mine. Actually, the tennis days were also very challenging,
Okay.
but that challenge was different. And mostly I played in shalwar kameez. So
Okay.
playing in shalwar kameez in windy conditions was also quite
Exactly,
challenging,
it is.
because in Britain the weather conditions are quite windy. Otherwise, generally it was challenging more so because when I used to be competing with the top players in the world, they used to be having a team of people with them,
Yeah,
like
manager,
a doctor,
a road manager, a doctor.
physiotherapist,
Yeah,
this,
yeah.
that. And for me, being up in Pakistan, and this we are talking 30 years back,
Yeah.
32 years back. So at my time, it was just enough that PIA giving me the ticket and okay, we allow you to go. Because during that time, Jan Ziaul Haq's time, they were a little strict on women going and representing abroad.
Okay.
So for me, only 2 things were important. Happiness is a relative term. Just give me the permission and give me the ticket. And
Okay.
rest, I would land in Australia, in England, in France, just alone with 2 rackets and wouldn't even know where I'm staying. So this itself used to be very challenging.
Yeah, it is very
And,
challenging. And you, how did you cope up with that then? Because
was
you
very-
never had anybody around you. Wasn't it difficult?
It was difficult because one of my biggest matches which I won, that's in Belgium, in Antwerp,
Yeah.
against a Peruvian player who's quite famous, Espinosa. Now I was only, when the moment I reached Antwerp, that was the moment I was taken, I had to walk straight to the tennis courts. And
Right-
you know how
right away.
Yeah, right away. When I reached the tennis courts, obviously you are hungry, you want to eat something, and they take me to the tennis court. And I started playing the match, and obviously acclimatize, it takes time for you to get acclimatized also. And here was my opponent with the team of people looking after her, massaging her legs and giving her bananas and,
And then
all the energy
what did you
drinks.
think of right
So-
there that, I'm here, I'm struggling,
Yeah.
I'm working for Pakistan, I'm representing Pakistan, though there's no one with me.
That was, now when I look back and the way I look at myself, that, over the years, I feel that I've really grown as a person and I've become much stronger.
Very nice.
I feel that I'm so grateful to God that those incidents took place, because going, living your life against all odds, that
Exactly.
really, because yesterday I was reading a quote that we don't make mistakes, mistakes make us. So, learning
Exactly.
the hard way.
Beautiful
Learning
that
the
is.
hard way.
And
So,
whenever we talk about sports and sportsmanship, I think